Welcome to State Tech's Welding Technology program.
Our program is designed to prepare students for profitable employment and a lifetime of learning. When they graduate from our program, they're able to go straight to the job site, test in, and have a job.
I'd say our welding program is about 90% hands-on, 10% in the classroom, which I really like. That's really the experience you need for this kind of work.
Whenever you can do the trial and error, it's so much better than just hearing about what's the correct angle, what is the correct amperage, voltage. It's so much better to be hands-on.
At State Tech, you're not just going to learn the great things about welding, you're going to learn what welding actually is. So when you go out there to be a welder, you know that that's the career path you want to take.
State Tech has a lot of opportunity to find jobs. They help with job placement and everything for after school. And so just a lot of opportunity out here, great machines, great people to help you out. And so there's always something to do.
Whether I want to go work in a shop, whether I want to go do shutdowns, work on a pipeline, a lot of options there.
And when we say from the classroom to your career, we mean it. Here's one example of a partnership we have with Quest Tech.
Welding is such a fantastic field because it really allows you to be creative, and it really allows you to find your niche and what you want to do and then be able to pursue that and do it. It's such a fantastic trade because you can go so many different directions in the skilled trade, and it also pays well. My time at State Tech really prepared for me, and it really laid out the groundwork for me to be able to pick any direction that I wanted within the welding industry. And for me, that's invaluable because you never know what you're going to like after you graduate.
If you do it, it took a welder to get you there. So if you get in the car and start it in the morning, it took a welder to start that car. If you flip a light switch on, it took a welder to flip that light switch on. So anything that you can think of, anything that you touch throughout the day, a welder's going to have been involved in that.